Hi there, welcome to the Beaten Trail, and in this episode, we are going to review the 901. And once you get to the 901 roadway and cross, you will be in the 901 land tract. Now this should only take you about 10 or 15 minutes from St. Kierans. It's the only way that you can get to the 901. And once you cross, if you make an immediate right, you'll go down into the woods, which is tight and muddy and a lot of fun, but we went to the left, off to the side, to show you some of the high-speed trails. They're mostly dirt and gravel, slightly rocky, but they're all a lot of fun. Now, as far as hills go, there aren't too many. There are a couple you can find here and there, but they're all very much fun and nothing more than an intermediate can't handle. The 901 pub is easily accessible, and if you want a burger or fries or just a pit stop for lunch, it's a good place. There are restroom facilities in the form of a porta potty, and I have been told that although there is a parking lot listed on the map, there's no loading or unloading in the white zone. In all seriousness, you have to park in St. Kierans or Darkwater and make the trip to the 901. If you do have any information about this parking lot change, please go ahead and put it in the comments. Now, there are a lot of high-speed trails that go around the 88, which is the nearby water body. You'll find some hilly trails and maybe a little steep. Again, like we said, nothing more than an intermediate can't handle. You will enjoy the full high-speed runs. Now, we did run into one trail that went counterclockwise around the 88, and there were some rocks that may have exceeded 12-inch in height that you may have to ride up on and take a little bit of care with. But other than that, there's all different types of trails. It's mostly rock, sand, and gravel. You can easily spend the day there, and whether you have a ATV or a side-by-side or a single track, you'll enjoy it. And we don't see room for full-size vehicles, and I haven't seen any there ever, but do check before you bring your full-size there, because you're not going to fit in a lot of places. Now, the 88 is a nice place, and you can take a ride to either side of it, and there's some gullies and valleys to get in there. You used to be able to get down to the bottom of the 88, but it seems like the water level has blocked some of the bottom portion of the trail. It's a nice view around the 88. We threw our drone up to get some shots, and it's always a good place to stop and hang out, take some pictures. So this is our last review of the 901 and famous Reading Outdoors locations for now. But if you do like our videos, please subscribe, share with your friends, and if you're going to do some Amazon shopping, please click on our links because we get some affiliate marketing credits for that. So we appreciate you watching, and we hope to see you out there on the trails. Thanks.